So I'm making this video for two reasons, really. There's number one, this is actually a very hard sponge to find, or in this with a handle like this. And number two, I and probably many of you are doing yourself a disservice by cleaning your plastic with these hard brushes. These are easy to find, just plenty of them. You can get them anywhere from Amazon to even 99-cent store. And they're convenient, they're light, cheap. And that's what I had been using to clean my Nespresso Classic. This is true for anything that uses this type of filler. These are all plastic. It comes in the Pixie, or any of these classic lines. And at first I thought, oh, this is perfect because it takes the shape. As you can see, this is curved. And I thought I found a solution. And these do, you see my other video, this area and this do get dirty or full of muck, essentially. As it turns out, all the stuff about microplastics is kind of true, but essentially every time you're cleaning like this, even with water and soap in there, you're scratching the inside of this and creating little micro tears, essentially, where so ultimately you're getting little, the plastic mixed, the microplastic, into your coffee water. And to be honest, this other type of sponge, not other type, but this sponge, as opposed to a brush, focus, works a whole lot better. And it just so happens that this Dawn brush, which is probably the only one I could find, I did search high and wide because this is a little bit pricier, fits absolutely perfect. It's if you can see that, it's forming the perfect resistance, and it's the perfect aperture. Look at that. And even when it's wet, it does a great job. So if you read the reviews for this, people will tell you, you'll see somewhere, I don't know, they were pulling these out or something. People say, don't twist. If you go in here, don't twist, just go up and down. And that I've done that, and it's worked just fine many times. You should be cleaning this regularly, even though you don't see it. There is some scum that builds up in there. In one of my other tips and tricks, I had mentioned, do something like this to keep this open so you get airflow through there. But yeah, very simple. So this is made by Dawn, very also lightweight. You can hang it, and there's really nothing to it. It is sponge. It doesn't come apart as easily as people say, but you do have to be careful with it. I wouldn't, you can use it for other dishes too, but it's particularly good for either this or even any of those, your water bottles. This is what you should be using, even the ones that are metallic, because you don't want to be scratching metallic either. Anyway, this is the solution. I got a link in the description below. Easy to find, perfect for the Nespresso and other bottles. If you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. Thank you for joining me.